Alright, so we're in Eldon Square, we're in Oseyo, which is a brand new Korean and Asian supermarket. And this is, I think they've got them all over Europe, but I think this is the biggest one in the UK. And it is just opening today, Saturday what? Saturday the 25th, obviously this video is going out Sunday 26th, so it's open. We've kind of been invited along to like the bit of a preview thing, so it's amazing, like, to be fair, like, absolutely love this shop. We bought a load of stuff, but we'll just take you around, show you what's what, show you what there is. Let's have a look. Right, so loads of fresh stuff here. There is a K-pop band on in the background, so excuse the noise if you can hear all that. And we've also got coconuts here, look at the coconuts. Loads of stuff, honestly, fresh and chilled stuff. That's all the fridge is. It's full of drinks, and I'll show you some of that. Sorry, mate. That's just some of the drinks there. Loads of choice, and trust us, I'm going to probably say loads of choice about 1 million times in this video, because there literally is. If you like your chili oil, they've got all of those there. Huge selection of the different chili oil, and yeah, I guess we'll just have a little walk down every single aisle. Really, there's loads of cooking stuff as well. So if you are wanting to buy stuff to make stuff at home, they've got all like the different like soup bases and different sauces, the curry sauces and stuff that you just boil up or just add water to, all that sort of stuff, and then all the different spices. I mean, it's everything you kind of like expect from an Asian supermarket. But this place, I can't explain to you enough how big this place is. It is absolutely gigantic. So when we're talking about this place, maybe people thinking it's just a supermarket, it's not a big deal. Check this out, right? So that's the queue there. Look at this queue here. It's going all the way out. And this is the back of the queue. So that's just an idea of how popular this place is, that people are queuing that far. Absolutely mad. How mad is that? That people are queuing that far around the hippie green. So I know people will be saying, well, it's just a supermarket, but this shows how popular this place is. They've got them elsewhere in the UK, and people travel like all over to go to this supermarket, and you can see, judging by that queue, how absolutely insane it is. Here's some sushi as well, so if you just wanted to just grab and go and take some stuff with you, and some drinks there too, and just like bakery stuff as well, loads of baked stuff, pancakes, cookies. So down this aisle now, we're kind of still more in the kind of cooking at home sort of section, so oils, vinegars, pastes, sauces, all that sort of stuff. We'll move down into this one, and again, just more kind of sauces, like all the different soy sauces and fish sauce and all the curry sauces. So we'll get through this because you've seen all this pretty much. Move on to this next bit. Yeah, so in here, again, more cooking stuff, more sauces. Here you've got like all the different kinds of noodles. Plenty of choice here. Good idea if you want to do some like cooking at home. Get a recipe in your head, write down all the different ingredients that you want to get, and just come here and smash the place, because they've got everything. This section here is just all the different teas. So have a good look at all that, all the different types of tea bag. Coffees as well, there's loads of different coffees here. But this is the fun bit here. This is the ramen library. So this is probably one of my favourite aisles, all the different packets of noodles. I've bought some of these. Chili, lime and shrimp flavour. These are 39 pence actually, 39 pence for those ones. But all the different noodles here, there's so many different flavours. Absolutely amazing. And then this is my favourite stuff. I've bought some of them, might be in them ones actually, because there's a gap and they've moved it forward. The rice cakes, they are my favourite, so we've got some of them to take home. And they've got little pots of them as well, like kind of like a pot noodle. where I think that's the one I took. That's where the gap is, the one I took. So these are kind of like a pot noodle where you just add water, and there's loads of stuff like that. These is more sweet stuff. All the different sweets. And we'll move now into a more like homeware sort of area. Actually, crisps. Totally forgot about the crisps. You know, I'm sure how much we absolutely love crisps. We've bought some of them. Fried crab flavour Lay's. 2 secs. And look at all these flavours, all the different Cheetos, pea snacks, all the different, see all this stuff, all the dried bean curd stuff. Now there's a dragon thing going on, so I'm going to go back outside. We'll get the dragon. Let's have a look. So, hope you enjoyed that dragon light. That was pretty good. And this is the alcohol. For all the different alcohols we've got. Sake, soju, and then we've got beers as well. Really good beers as well. Like, love all of these beers. The big cans of Sapporo there are £5.19, but they are a big can. Like, they are 650ml cans, so it's a big can. But aye, brilliant beers. Nice dry Asian beers. Now this is one of my favourite sections, the frozen food section. All this gear here. Chicken paws, pig trotters, duck feet, duck tongues. Love it. Also electrical stuff there as well, kind of pans and stuff like that. And then also you've got like steam buns in the freezers. Steam buns and kimbaps, corn dogs, all that kind of stuff. Over here you've got frozen prawns, frozen scallops, frozen squid, seafood mixes, loads of different meats as well. Soup bases again, just if you want to do like all your home cooking stuff. Down here you've got like photo booths as well, so you can go in here, get your photo done. This is like it's meant to be like a swimming baths. This one's more like a cafe, like a diner thing, so you can get your photos taken there. Hi guys, all right. And then this is like the cosmetic stuff. So loads of different like different bits and bobs there. K-pop section, if you're into K-pop, or if your kids are. And then it's just like kid stuff, yeah, like socks and whatnot, all that kind of thing. Key rings, toys. So kind of a bit more kind of kiddie section. Then go into the homeware bit. So in the homeware bit, yeah, we've got all the different bowls, loads of different stuff, loads of spoons. Keep saying loads of different stuff. You notice that? But good, aye. Utensils, cups. We've got all the Hello Kitty stuff here as well. More crisps. What do you reckon? What have you seen so far? Is there anything you've seen that you would definitely have to get, or something that might be one of your favourite things? I wanted the dried pork, but I haven't been able to find it. There's the dried eel, like. But I haven't been able to find the pork that I want. Tuesday says it might just be a kind of New Year thing in China where you can get the dried pork. Sorry if you didn't pick up the noise of that drums, like, I'm really sorry. But it's absolutely massive. There's absolutely loads of stuff here. It is a lot of fun. A lot of fun. I'll show you these sweets as well, because there's like more sweets and stuff here. Oh, actually, I'll tell you what I need to show you. I need to show you the ice cups. So these ice cups, these are like a bit of a trendy thing. So these ice cups here, they've got small ice cups there, which is the pink ones, and then they've got the blue ones, which is the bigger ones. These are the big blue ice cups. So there you go, you buy an ice cup, and then you've got all these different flavours. So these are all the different flavours of, you've got tea, you can have blue lemonade, watermelonade, so you can have the teas along the bottom. So you've got like mango tea, green iced tea, green tea, and then you've got like also, if you want like pop, you've got the blueberry aid ones, orangeade, grape, melon, apple, loads of different flavours, but then also, and loads of different brands as well, but then also you can just do coffee. So if you just wanted an iced coffee, You just basically just pick up one of those ice cups and then get whatever mix that you want. And then this is just frozen sweets, ice cream stuff. And then this is just your home stuff as well, just showing you some more home stuff. Just basic sort of stuff like cling film, food storage bags, just stuff for cleaning your kitchen and all that kind of thing. Loads of different bits there. Loads of stuff. Keep saying it, loads of stuff. And there's some pans as well. So there's want some more sweets, more sweet stuff. So there you go, what you buying, what you getting from here. Mental. Opens at 10 o'clock today, which is obviously 10 o'clock Saturday. This video goes out Sunday at 6 p.m. So it's now open basically. You can come along and just get whatever you want. We filled the basket full. We've got like a gift bag thing because we've been invited, so we've got like a gift bag with stuff in, but we also bought a load of stuff as well. There's a stall here doing Korean hot dogs, but I don't think he's open yet. So I think we're going to miss out on that, but because we're going to be heading away soon. What do you think? It's in Eldon Square, it's right next to Pret. Tell you where it is, you know, if you like, you know, the Hippie Green. If you're coming to Eldon Square via like the Hippie Green kind of entrance, I know that's not its official name. Sorry if I offend anybody. Don't mean to cause any offence, it's just a colloquial name for the place. If you come in the Eldon Square Hippie Green entrance, that's where, God, it's getting louder. I'm trying to get away from the noise of the drums, it's getting louder and louder. Sorry, that's where the entrance is. The Hippie Green entrance. You come straight in, and it's massive. There's a massive queue. It opens at 10 o'clock, opens in like, well, it's 10 o'clock now actually, so I'm about to get swamped. I'm going to get this video done. So thank you for watching. If you subscribe, thank you for subscribing, it means a lot. Please do subscribe if you don't already. And QR code on the screen. I'm going to go and get the dragon. 2 secs. Right, that was the dragon. Trying to find a quieter place. I don't know if the microphone's picking up the noise, but the drums is actually mental. So QR code on the screen, scan that. Take you to our Facebook, our Instagram, our threads, our website, our email and all that sort of stuff. Thank you very much for watching. If you come along, let me know what you think. I love it, we'll definitely be coming back. There's loads of stuff. Nah, I really like it. I love just wandering around shops like this. We've been here an hour and just been having a wander around. Now, I wasn't actually going to do a YouTube video, to be honest. I was just doing stuff for Instagram. That's why we've been invited. But then I thought, actually, you know what? We'll do a YouTube video, show you what the crack is. Someone might be interested, even though not all of you will. And that's your lot. Back to the restaurants next week. Watch what you're doing. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon. Toodles.